So you're probably wondering what's been taking me so long with this video. And the truth is, I wanted to test the product thoroughly I've been using before I recommend it to anybody and to see if it actually works. And to me, it's been working well. I've been using it for months. And a lot of people have recommended this. I actually found it through somebody else. And it's the perfect solution for wearing a dress shirt or wearing a suit and making sure that it stays tucked in the whole time. Do you want to see it? All right, to show you how this actually works, I put them all the way up here, like this. This, and I like to usually clip one in the front, one on the side, one on the back like this. So now, for sure it's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna stay tucked in. Trust me. Alright, so let me show you how it looks on with an outfit when you have it. This is before I put the shirt tail garters in, or the shirt stays as they're called. That's before I put them on. It's okay. It looks alright. I mean, you're just gonna have to keep on doing the worst thing, but what if you go like this? You see it? It's untucking. We go like this. You see that? Now you got an issue. And then look at the back now. It's untucked. So this is your solution right here. I'll be right back. Right? And you see how much cleaner they look? It even looks better in the front just because of the straps, and in the back. It's holding it down. See, I'm going like this. That is holding it down. See? It's worth the money. I'm telling you. It's worth the money. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So I definitely recommend getting the shirt stays or the shirt tail garters, whichever. And I'm back. So I showed you why you need the shirt stays, and I really think, second point, that every guy should have them if they're wearing something casual or if they're wearing a suit, because it's comfortable, keeps your shirts tucked in, and you don't have to worry about that whatever thing you're doing. And as usual, I'm low on time again. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you definitely pick up some shirt stays or shirt tail garters. I got mine on Amazon once again. I only paid like $10 to $20, if that. I kind of don't remember, but I know it wasn't that much. But you can pay for more expensive ones to hook onto your socks too. But me, I'm frugal with my money. See you guys later.